Hey guys, my name is Shira and today I'm going to be styling the Gaia top by Spirit and Thread Crochet. For my first look, I'm going to pair the top with a pleated brocade skirt I thrifted a few years back. Most everything featured in this video that I'm going to be using to style my looks, I either thrifted or made myself, including this leaf necklace I got secondhand a few years ago. These earrings I made from fake sunflowers from the dollar store that I attached earring hooks onto, and then this bangle that I'm putting on as well, I also got secondhand. Gotta have a tall pair of lace-up brown boots, it's just essential. And this is the final look. I think it's so fun, so cute, so perfect for every day, though I will say my definition of casual might be a little bit different than everyone else's because I like to get a bit extravagant with it on the day-to-day. So it's up to you where you want to wear these looks. My next look is with this secondhand cotton printed midi skirt. I'm pairing it with this green bandana. Forgot what artist I got this beautiful necklace from, but I bought it at the Arts, Beats, and Eats Festival in Royal Oak, Michigan a few years ago. I miss going there now that I live in New York. I'm also adding this woodsy chunky bracelet. I was gifted these beautiful earrings from the wonderful Mother Make Me. I follow her on Instagram and we both happened to be at the same photo shoot, and she brought a bunch of earrings to gift to everyone there, which was so kind of her. And here's the final look. Again, super cute and casual. I actually ended up wearing it to school after this video. For my third look, I'm pairing the top with my favorite brown satin skirt that you guessed it, also thrifted. We're going to utilize my favorite sunflower earrings again that I get complimented on every single time I wear them. Chunky wooden bangles that are again secondhand, and this beautiful leaf necklace that I'm so obsessed with that I actually made in my jewelry making class I'm taking this semester. Which I've just been wearing her like every single day. She's so fun and I'm so proud of her. And that's the final look. I think she is so cute. I'm so obsessed with her. You can tell that like all the looks I'm styling are in the same genre, but depending on what color you crochet your top, you can do your own thing. Like, next up is this beautiful sweet maxi skirt I thrifted on the basis of it looking like an oak leaf. We are yet again wearing the sunflower earrings because I am predictable if nothing else. These beautiful maple leaf hair clips I got at the New York Renaissance Festival that I love sticking onto my clothing. I cannot decide where to stick them on this outfit though. Enough of that. Let's add one of my favorite secondhand chokers and tie my hair back with, yet again, you guessed it, a secondhand scarf. I low-key might just do away with the leaf clips. They aren't really doing anything for me with this look. We are now back to the leaf necklace. As I said, I love wearing it. Go take a jewelry making class, you will not regret it. And that's the final look. I know I keep saying that I'm obsessed with every look I style, but I genuinely am obsessed with this one. This is actually a combination I never once thought of, and I will be wearing this look from now on. I will be wearing this look. It's so beautiful. Our fifth and final look of the day is one perfect for the Renaissance Fair. I'm currently wearing a vintage lace skirt I got at a flea market and pairing it with this underbust corset I picked up while visiting a friend a few years ago. We got to add a cape. This cape or cloak, I can never remember what the right term is, I got at the Renaissance Festival in Michigan, and it just matches perfectly and adds so much. Maple leaf clip looks so perfect for this look, oh my god. I'm also going to add these gold colored wire elf ears I made a few years ago for a costume. Oak leaf printed leather gauntlets from the Michigan Ren Fest as well. For my headpiece, I'm going to wear this beautiful decorated hair comb I got from my wonderful mutual Shell patient over on Instagram. She designs the most amazing dresses and you should all check her out. And that's the final look. So beautiful, so perfect, so layered, so Ren Fair ready. Literally, that's all you need to create the perfect Ren Fair look, is just layer with random shit and collect random shit from going to the Ren Fair. I spend so much money at the Ren Fair, oh my god. But yeah, those are the looks I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to check out Spirit and Thread Crochet's other patterns, which I need to now that I have crocheted this top, because they're just so cute.